Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Ecobee devices disappearing from the application. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply refresh the application. For that, you need to first of all come out of your Ecobee application completely, and then you just have to simply remove it from the background. Afterwards, you just have to do nothing but to just simply reopen the application and pull down on the home screen in order to refresh it. Now, sometimes the application simply fails to sync with Ecobee's servers. That makes the devices temporarily disappear from the dashboard. Now, after doing so, if the issue still persists, you can just simply verify that you are using the correct account. So this sounds very obvious, but it happens more often than you think. So you need to make sure that you are signing into the same Ecobee account that was originally used to register the thermostat. If you recently changed the phones or sign in with another email address, your device may not appear. Now, you can also simply go to your thermostat's settings and then you can look for the option of Wi-Fi. If the thermostat has lost its internet connection, it may disappear from the application and it can then show as offline. So in that case, you need to reconnect it to the Wi-Fi if necessary. Now you can also come here on the Google Play Store or App Store, and over here in the search bar, simply search for Ecobee. So when you find the Ecobee application over here, you need to make sure that there is no update written. If there is any update available, you just have to tap on that, and you need to make sure that you update your application to the latest version. So that's how you can try these easy fixes and see if your Ecobee devices are appearing again inside the app. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.